Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 3 model paper 2025-26 class 9th subject maths question paper with the answer discussed. This question paper and the answer download to the telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the paper. Section A, multiple choice question. Each question carries 1 marks. 15 cross 1 equal to 15 marks. Question number 1. If triangle ABC congruence triangle PQR and angle A equal to 50 degree, then angle P equal to question. So what is the answer? 60 degree, 50 degree, 70 degree, 180 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer option B, 50 degree. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? In a triangle, the angle opposite to the longer side is smaller, larger, equal, none of these. Right answer is a larger. According to triangle inequality theorem, the angle opposite to the longer side is always larger than the angle opposite to the shorter side. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a criterion of congruence of triangle SAS, ASA, SSA, triple S? What is the correct answer? Correct answer double SA. Double SA means side angle is not a sufficient condition for congruence because it can lead to two different possible triangles. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 90 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer 360 degree. Question number 5. The diagonal of a rhombus intersect at 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer is a 90 degree. Question number 6. If consecutive angles of a parallelogram are equal, then it's necessary a kite, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium. What is the right answer? Right answer is a rectangle. Right answer is a rectangle. Question number 7. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal is called parallelogram, trapezium, kite, none of the above. What is the right answer? Right answer is option A, parallelogram. Question number 8. The longest chord of the circle is called radius, arc, diameter, sector. What is the right answer? Longest chord is called a diameter, passes through the origin. Question number 9. Equal chord of a circle subtended equal angle at the circumference, center, exterior, tangent. What is the right answer? Right answer option B. Center is the right answer of the question number 9. A fundamental theorem of circle states that the equal chord subtend equal angle at the center of the circle. Question number 10. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal, complementary, supplementary, unequal. What is the right answer? Right answer is the option A, equal. Question number 11. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree, 100 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer is a 180 degree. A key property of a cyclic quadrilateral is that opposite angle are supplementary, meaning their sum is 180 degree. Question number 12. The angle is in a semicircle is 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 45 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer is a 90 degree. Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the semicircle is always a right angle. Question number 13. In the figure, if O is the center of the circle and angle AOB equal to 60 degree, then angle ACB is. What is the right answer of the question number 13 is a 30 degree. But why? The angle of the center 60 degree is double the angle at any point of the remaining part of the circle. Therefore 60 degree divided by 2 is a right answer. Question number 14. Statement 1 and statement 2 and choose the correct answer. Question statement 1. A square is always a rectangle. A rectangle is always a square. Both statements are true. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. Both statements are false. What is the right answer? Option B. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Question number 15. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, trisect the chord, bisect the chord, double the chord, doubles is equal to the chord. What is the right answer? Right answer is the option B. Bisect the chord is the right answer of the question 15. And the section 2, in triangle ABC, E and F are midpoint of sides AB and AC respectively. If BC equal to 14 cm, find the length of EF using the midpoint theorem. Question number 17. In a circle of radius 5 cm is at distance of 3 cm from the center. Find the length of the chord. Section 3rd, 4 marks of the question. So that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Prove that any angle subtended by an arc at the center double the angle subtended by its at any point of the remaining parts of a circle. And the 8 marks of the questions. In a right angle triangles ABC right angle triangle at C, M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. ABC is joined to M and produces to a point D such that DM equal to CM, and D is the joint point B, and so that all the conditions triangle AMC congruence triangle BMD, triangle DBC is a right angle DBC congruence angle ACB, CM equal to half AB. And the B of the question prove that if a non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, then it is cyclic. This is a question paper for the self-assessment 3rd FA3 examination. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.